Okay, here we have the male reproductive system plaque. Testes, epididymis, vas deferens, the vas deferens goes all the way up here and around to the ampulla of the vas deferens. Then we have the, so here's the ampulla, seminal vesicle, ejaculatory duct, prostate gland. This is Cowper's gland, also known as the bulbourethral gland. 9, the urethra. 9A, the prostatic urethra. 9B here is the penile urethra / spongy urethra. 10 and 12. 12 is here. 10 is here. Is the corpus spongiosum. 11 here is the corpus cavernosum. Glands, penis. External. 14, the external urethral orifice. 15 is the prepuce or foreskin. 16 is the scrotum. Now we go to the little sperm up here. We've got the head of the sperm, the nucleus of the sperm, the acrosome, the body of the sperm, and the tail of the sperm. Now we go back to this. Got the urinary bladder, the colon, the rectum, the anus, the ureter, the pubic symphysis, the median umbilical ligament, the suspensory ligament, the sacrum, the sacrum, and the coccyx, the cauda equina, and the peritoneum.